Summarising here with me is Jim Beglin.
Hi John, it's been a great buzz here since I sat in my seat. I think this promises something special today.
Tries to slide it past the defence. Iniesta.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go it alone.
Jordi Alba wants to get this forward. Modric on the ball. Now Cristiano Ronaldo. Vital touch by the keeper. It was a good ball in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
He really should have done better from that.
That was such a good effort despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there. Oh, this has been such a positive approach from them in the early part of this game. Everybody is programmed to get forward, and despite a couple of failed attempts, they are the better side.
Tackle comes in. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick. Here's Toni Kroos. Nearly, but in football terms, nearly is nowhere.
Well, he's usually pretty good from any distance, but it just didn't happen for him there.
He's got in. Here's Benzema. Nicely worked. Chance. Here's a shot. And he makes absolutely no mistake. And it's red.
Desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
So we start again at 1-0.
Oh, look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Iniesta. And Iniesta. Can he now find a finish? In for the rebound.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
Bale. 30 minutes played. Kune. Here's Daniel Alves. Rakitic. Xavi. Daniel Alves. Jordi Alba. Crosses towards the centre. The defender did well there to block the cross. It's out for a corner. Here's a ball in. Rakitic. What a reprieve that was.
Oh, he did really well to force the mistake by pressuring him like that. That's great grit for you.
Xavi. Marcelo. It's on for him. Modric. Wonderful through ball over the top. The whistle against Barcelona. The linesman's kept his flag down. Benzema. Cristiano Ronaldo, who's imposed himself already on this fixture. The ball is with Rakitic. Onside. Could be a chance now. Keeper makes the stop.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of the goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch.
Here's Benzema. Benzema. The ball is with Messi. He played for an hour now. Cristiano Ronaldo. And that's away to the right of goal. Got it. Looking to thread it through. The cross takes a deflection off the defender, so a corner's given. A ball in. Goal kick. Sergio Ramos and Marcelo. The ball's with Toni Kroos. Benzema off the bar. Once more a chance. That's halted the danger. Another attempt. A huge chance missed.
What a huge let-off that was. Conceding them would really have left the momentum to climb.
And a cross. And the ball goes out of play. "75 minutes on the clock now. Here's Messi. And Messi is marauding forward. Now Rakitic. No, it was cut out. They're off on the counter. Rakitic and Daniel Alves. Benzema. Now the chance. He decides to shoot. It's led to a goal. Surely that's it.
Well,
a crushing blow. He just went all the way. It's a treat, that one. Surely now this match is over as a contest.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
Plays this forward. Now Cristiano Ronaldo. Cleared away to safety. The referee blows his whistle for full time. Victory is what football is all about. Victory is the thing.